How to play Roblox Mobile on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can play Roblox Mobile on PC. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser in your device. Now we have to download an emulator, that is BlueStacks, in order to play the mobile version of Roblox in your PC. So here in the search bar, you have to type in BlueStacks and then search for it. Now head over to the first link on your interface that says BlueStacks. Here, click on download BlueStacks and that will download the BlueStacks in your device. Now you have to open up the downloaded file, install it and set up in your device. After that, open up BlueStacks in your device, and if prompted or asked, make sure that you log in with your Google account. So once you log in with your Google account, now you could download the Roblox mobile version in this emulator and play in here. So click on the search bar, then there is search for Roblox. Once you see that, install it, open it and then log in into your Roblox account. After that, now you can play the Android or the mobile version of Roblox on your PC. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.